Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and having a great day. In this video, look at this. I just received my shipment of A2000s and I got 10 of them actually. I got another 4 over there. But today in this video, I'm going to be building 6 of them in a mining cave frame, and I am excited to see how efficient these GPUs are. And I don't know if you guys saw the video where I recently just built a 6x6600 XT rig, and this rig gets about 190 mega hash right now in HiveOS mining Ethereum, right? And the power consumption is about 440 watts right now at the wall. It was about 430, but I had to change some overclocks because some GPUs, they need a little bit more juice in order to attain the 32 mega hash. But I'll have a screenshot here to show you guys the hash rate and yeah, the efficiency that I'm getting on this 6600 rig. So the 6600 XTs are amazing GPUs for mining, don't get me wrong, but these A2000s, as maybe some of you guys have seen, is that these can get about 40 to 41, 42 mega hash at about 66 to 70 watts. That is insane. And these cards don't require any PCIe power, okay? At the top, you know, normally you have to plug in a 6-pin or an 8-pin for power. These GPUs, they get the power through the X16 slot. So when we are going to be building this rig, which I'm probably going to do really fast, and I'm just going to do it all together. I'm not going to go through each step by step because if you guys want to see me build a mining rig step by step, I have plenty of videos doing that, and there's one that I just made recently of building that 6600 rig, XT rig, step by step in HiveOS and all that stuff. In this video, I am wanting to see just how efficient these cards are compared to my 6600 XT rig, which we'll show you guys in a bit here. So before I build the rig real quick here, I just wanted to show you guys the card here. It is really small. This is like a low profile card, and you guys can see these are PNY branded RTX A2000s. all right, so these are really nice, but they're extremely small. Actually, if we compared it to a regular, this is a RTX 3070. This is a Gainward edition GPU. Let me just put it over here. You guys can see, just gives you the perspective of, you know, how small these A2000s are compared to a regular like gaming GPU. Okay, so this is an RTX 3070. This has 2 8-pins for power, and this is just a simple A2000, which I was able to pick up for about 500 bucks on Alibaba. And if anyone's trying to look for these right now, to buy these on Alibaba or anywhere, good luck. You're not going to get them, because I pre-ordered these like a month and a half ago as of recording this video. So yeah, these are completely gone. Nobody can order them anymore, and if you do, they're going to cost way more than $500 now. I think I've seen them being more so like $700 or $800 pre-order, and the time frame for that is going to be like couple months, 6 months, maybe a year away, because there's a lot of people buying these. And stay tuned, when I make this rig and in another video, I'm gonna see how long it'll take to at least break even on these GPUs when we're going to be mining Ethereum, and see how much Ethereum that we're going to be mining for the course of next year, until, you know, you guys know Ethereum is going to move to proof of stake. And so we'll see, you know, in a real life test, you know, how much Ethereum this single rig is going to mine all the way up until the end of Ethereum mining. And so that'll be for another video. Anyways guys, I just want to build this rig real quick and figure out what the hash rate we can attain in HiveOS and the power consumption at the wall as well. Alright guys, so you will see everything all built, which I am utilizing all Mining Cave products here, 1600 watt power supply, all the risers are already pre-assembled on this Mining Cave frame. Thank you to Mining Cave, and also a Mining Cave motherboard which has a CPU and RAM as well. If you guys are interested in buying any of this hardware from Mining Cave, I'll have links down below to their rig kits, which I think is a great value because they come all pre-assembled with everything. You just need to put in the GPUs, which is really cool. Alright guys, you'll see this all built in 3, 2, 1. Oh, now this is satisfying, except I just screwed up. Ah, no. Okay, next one. Okay guys, there it is. It's all built. Take a look at that. Look how small these GPUs are. Man, another thing that's crazy is that there's no PCIe power on the GPUs itself. It's drawing the 75 watt TDP from the riser. Alright, each riser I have a 6-pin plugged in, and that's all it needs for the power. And I'm going to show you guys the hash rates right now. This is what you guys came to see. You know what, let me hit the refresh button here. You know what, let me hit F5 on the keyboard. And, okay, so we are getting about 42 mega hash right now. Almost 43 for some of them. And these are my overclocks, 1000 core, 2800 memory. Thank you to Alchemy on Discord. He also has these GPUs, but yeah, look at this guys, this looks pretty good. Actually, one thing that I wanted to mention is the temperatures of these GPUs. They are going a lot higher. They're almost at 60. I mean, that's not too bad, but I have the fans at 100% right now. Okay, now it's at 60. So yeah, the temperature in my garage is, you know, generally pretty cool. It's about 24 Celsius or 76 Fahrenheit, okay? So it's not that bad in here, but yeah, I don't have any passive fans on this rig, but Mining Cave did supply a fan solution for this Mining Cave frame, so I am going to put that on most likely, so hopefully it'll help cool these GPUs a bit more, as yeah, the fans on these are extremely small, as you guys can see here. So yeah, it's a little bit noisy, but it's not too bad, these A2000s. They are definitely pumping out a decent amount of heat when I can put my hand over it. Yeah, definitely. But man, does this rig look good or what? Look at my beautiful cable management. Mining Cave, if you're watching this right now. Anyways guys, I want to see the power consumption. This is another thing, mainly what I am wanting to see here. So we're taking about 913 watts, including my 6600 XT rig. So you know what? I'm going to turn this thing off. So we were getting about 440, I believe. Yeah, we're getting about 192 mega hash. And so the A2000 rig is drawing about 483 watts. Okay, 483 watts. So in total, the mega hash that we are getting right now is 254 mega hash. Okay, so if we are getting 254, right, at 483 watts, and then versus the 6600 XT rig, we're only getting about 192 mega hash at about 440 watts. Okay, so definitely the A2000s are going to be a lot more efficient because we're getting a lot more mega hash, but we are using about 45 watts more than the 6600 XT rig, but we are getting like another 60 mega hash or so, if that makes sense. So I mean, yeah, like if we did the math there, I'm sure the hash per watt metric, the hash per watt numbers, maybe I'll put it on the screen here. I can't do it in my head right now, the calculation, but yeah, I'm sure they're pretty close in efficiency, but I'm gonna say the A2000s are gonna be the most efficient for mining Ethereum as of right now. And actually, as I say that, I think the CMP 170HX is gonna be the most efficient GPU now that I'm thinking about it. But that GPU, it's like 160 mega hash and it costs like $4,000, $5,000 or something. I bought 6 of these, or 10 of them actually, at $500 each. And so these 6 A2000s were getting 254 mega hash versus the CMP 170HX. Anyways guys, I think that's it for this video. Oh, you know what? Let me add the fans here. I want to see if the temperatures are going to drop. Let me just see if they're rising up here. And yeah, no, we're still at 60, 57, 58. Okay, so let me add the fan grill. We'll see if the temperatures will drop. All right, the fans are installed. Looks good, and there's a lot of good airflow going on the GPUs. And I've noticed, so we've been mining now for the past 10 minutes, and the temperatures have dropped a good like 5 degrees. All right, so this one was at 60. Alright, so looks like, yeah, the temperatures have equalized. I've been watching it for like the past 10 minutes. Just gonna refresh it one more time here, and yeah, 55 degrees. And yeah, it looks like we've dropped temperature across the board, so that is good. These fans are working to cool down the GPUs, so that's great. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts, and let me just see the final power consumption here. So the fans did add like another, I guess, 10 watts. So we're now at 91 watts at the wall. One thing I wanted to talk about is since I have 4 more of these A2000s, I'm wondering if I can custom drill more holes onto this mining cave frame and add 4 more of these GPUs. So I have 10 of these in total. I thought maybe that could be an interesting idea. Maybe I can do it on this side. Yeah, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and then another 2 on that side. Oh, dude, that might be a cool project I could do. You guys can let me know down below. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out. Oh, and stay tuned for, I gotta build 2 more rigs here, a 3060 rig and another 6600 XT rig to finish out my whole mining cave GPU tower. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, and peace out.